Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Meditation. Let's work together today to make you feel a little more grounded. Whether you've tried meditation before or this is your first time, just follow along with me. So wherever you are, go ahead and gently close your eyes and start by placing one hand over your chest and another hand over your stomach. And just begin to notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Maybe you can begin to feel the rise and fall through your fingertips. Maybe just placing your hands over your chest and your belly, you begin to expand your breath. But we want to begin today just by feeling into our deep breathing using our hands. Noticing on the next inhale, if you can breathe in for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold. And then gently exhaling for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking another inhale for 5, breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold, and exhaling for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Noticing how it feels to deepen your breath and seeing if you can start sending that breath all the way down into your belly, feeling that gentle rise and fall of your hand. As we begin to slow down and just notice our deep rhythmic breathing, no matter how chaotic or stressful our life can be, we can always each time come back to our breath. It serves as an anchor for us to be more present, come back to this moment. Keeping up our deep rhythmic breathing, noticing if any thoughts have driven you away. Have you begun thinking, planning, maybe even judging yourself for taking this time just for 5 minutes to pause and stay with your breath? And now dropping your hands into your lap or by their sides, and just notice where you feel your breath as you breathe in slowly and slowly begin to exhale. Maybe you feel the breathing through your shoulders as you gently breathe in and rise up. And then with each exhale, maybe you feel your clothing shift as you cave in and let go of the breath, letting go of our thinking and coming into the moment over and over again. It's natural as we focus on our deep breathing to have thoughts drift us away. But each time you notice yourself thinking, you just want to come back and feel into your deep breathing, honoring this moment with one breath. Noticing anywhere in your body where you can feel your breathing. Maybe even through the very tip of your nose. Maybe you can feel the air rushing through the nostrils, moving its way down the throat, into the lungs. And maybe you can feel the air rushing past your lips as you exhale out deliberately. But just wherever you are, keeping your breathing deep. If you've noticed your breathing shorten, often it's because our mind has started thinking again. But each time with compassion, deepen the breath and come back into this moment, one breath at a time. And we end by taking a few clearing breaths. Breathing in for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling out completely for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking another inhale in through the nose, 2, 3, 4, 5, and completely exhaling all the way out for 5, 3, 4, 5. And wherever you are, you can slowly begin to open your eyes, letting the light come in, maybe setting an intention for the rest of the day to be more present, to be with your breath, be with the ones you care about. Giving yourself the thanks for taking this short pause today and noticing how you feel in this moment. Each time we meditate, we may feel very different. Thank you for taking this pause with me, and I'll see you next time.